This will change your life forever. One morning, you wake up and realize you've been living the same day again and again. The same thoughts, the same worries, the same habits. And then a question hits you. What if this moment, right now, could change everything? Yes, this very moment could change your life forever. The routine trap. Most people don't live, they only exist. They repeat the same routines, follow the same patterns, waiting for something magical to happen. But nothing does, because the magic isn't out there. It's in you. Every single day, you're writing your future with your choices, yet you keep repeating yesterday. The realization. But one day, something inside you whispers, enough. You start to see that change doesn't come from waiting, it comes from deciding. That whisper grows louder until it becomes a roar inside you, telling you to stop existing and start living. The decision. When you choose growth over comfort, everything changes. The fear doesn't go away. You move forward with it. And slowly, life begins to reward you because you finally start living like you mean it. The transformation. You begin to notice your world changes not because people change, but because you do. Your thoughts shift, your habits evolve, and every morning you rise, not to repeat the past, but to create the future. The final message. So today, make that choice. Change one thought, one habit, one action, and I promise your life will never be the same again. Because everything you dream of begins the moment you decide to begin.